Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to upgrade Revolut app to the latest version. So first of all, you just have to launch your Revolut mobile application and then you just have to provide your credentials and you simply need to log in into your account. Now once you've successfully logged in, you need to navigate to the top left hand corner and you simply need to click on your profile icon. Once you do this, you will be redirected on this page where you are going to see an upgrade button in the top. So simply need to tap on that upgrade button. Once you have done that, you will be redirected on this plan selection page where you are going to see three different plans to choose from. So you can choose the standard plan, and if you scroll down a bit, you are going to see all of the top features that you can get with the standard plan. If you want to know more about the features in the premium plan, then you will have to tap on premium and then it will show you the cost of the premium plan as well as the features that you are going to get. If you want to go with the metal plan, then you will have to select the metal plan option and it will show you that the metal plan will cost you around $19.99 per month and you are going to see these types of features. So you just have to select which plan you want to upgrade your account in, and after that you will have to click on this get button in the bottom. Once done, you just have to conclude your payment and then you will be able to easily upgrade your Revolut account. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.